How to increase YouTube video quality on PC. Increasing the quality of YouTube videos on your PC can enhance your viewing experience, especially if you're watching content in high definition. Here's a simple guide to help you adjust video quality settings on YouTube. Start by opening your web browser and going to the YouTube website. Ensure you're logged into your account. Find the video you want to watch and click on it to start playing. Once the video begins, hover your mouse over the video player to reveal the playback controls. Click on the settings icon, a gear-shaped icon, in the bottom right corner of the video player. This will open the video settings menu. From the menu, select Quality. This option will display a list of available resolutions for the video, ranging from lower definitions like 144p to higher definitions like 1080p or 4K, depending on the video's upload quality. Choose the highest available resolution to increase the video quality. If the highest option is not available, it might be because the video was not uploaded in a higher resolution. In this case, you can only watch the video in the highest quality provided by the uploader. For a consistent, high-quality viewing experience, you can also adjust YouTube's default quality settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Playback and Performance section. Here, you can choose to play videos in the highest quality available by default, or let YouTube decide based on your internet connection speed. If you want to ensure the best quality and avoid automatic adjustments based on bandwidth, make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection. A higher resolution video requires more bandwidth, so a slower connection might result in buffering or lower quality. By following these steps, you can easily increase the quality of YouTube videos on your PC, ensuring a clearer and more enjoyable viewing experience.